Hey YouTube people, here's a new thing for you. Vending machines. Japanese vending machines for you. Different kinds of drinks. Really good ones. Really nasty kinds. Yeah. I told you I'd get back to you and show you some videos. Cigarettes over here. This is cool. American used to stop doing this, and the Japanese are like this. The bad part is, this little thing right here, you have to use an ID for your, put a card on there and you get a thing. And that's a piece of paper to fill out and get your cigarettes, and you have to fill it out. It's really bullshit. Well, I'm going to go to Family Mart right now. It's like right over there. You can't see it. And well, I'm gonna try to get something. I'm trying to find some Japanese noodles and some chips. Hope they would let me videotape it in there. Well, I'm posting stuff on YouTube right now. Still working on that. Can't figure out how to do the image right now. I'm working on this WIWO file to be transferred. Well, here's taxi drivers. Taxis. Well, let me get up close to them. There's one right now. Konnichiwa. Taxi. Hey. Oh, YouTube. Internet. Videotape. Going to go on internet. Videotaping.
Oh yeah.
Showing everyone.
Oh.
Nice. Hey. Taxi? Hey. We call them Pancho. Well, show you there's a place right here. We call it Peach. There's a place up there, it's Peach. That's the place. And this is another bar, 2 bars. Oops. Still walking at Family Mart. There's Okinawan girls. More vending machines. Japanese cars are cool here. Pretty fun. Here's Family Mart. Family Mart here. Oh, we're going down the candy side. Candy. Showing everyone candy. Oh, candy. Really good shit right here. I'm here to get some coffee, a drink. Let's see, I want something different today. I'm looking for some apple tea, beer. This is Japanese beer, everyone. Really cool shit right here. Liquor, booze, magazine, more liquor, everyone. Yeah, America don't allow you to sell liquor. Magazines, books, porn. There's adult, means adult. More magazines. Appliance. Well, they're making a little comment about me. And here's the shopkeeper. Hey, oh, I'm sorry. You want to be on YouTube? YouTube. Like, everything. You want you on? Oh, I'm sorry. No one likes to be on YouTube.